keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart.
It's already time for load number 2. Scent of the day. I'm too hungry and I cannot wait. So I'm gonna have a little slice of bread or something with tea. So I'm not having tea. I'm having the remainder of the shake. I just added some milk. And I'm just having some chutney that my granny made with a slice of bread and bindi. This is bindi okra, you know, by another name. And chutney. The way I like to smash the chili while I'm eating. Very bad. I'm putting some juice in my car. Please don't laugh at me. My seat is really front and really high. Birthday! Birthday to Anna. Happy birthday to you. Oh, Dada said put the aircon on for you. Dada said put the aircon on for the doggies. Put the aircon on for the doggies. I'm tired. Rub my back. Ow. Ow. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. You know, I don't ever put this on my face. I don't know why I'm acting shambles today. I'm putting this on my face. Germs, go germs. No, not gonna contaminate. Oh, you need to blend, girl. You're looking like a terracotta stone. Like when Manja could be blend. The sides. Nigga. Okay, I'm just gonna stop. Sorry, I don't know how to act. Sorry. I mean, you guys saw how I look like a hobo on my life, so I'm sorry. I don't know how to act. It's the way you act. Act. It's the way you act. Now you walk. Now you walk. Now you walk. Guys, I'm not cooking today because I'm going for supper. I know you saw that I just went for lunch, but I'm going for Aya's birthday supper. So I ain't cooking. Now you walk. Now you walk. Wow, send help. No, I'm not using it. I'll take the volume down. Okay. Oh, come and see my phone. Of course. Wow, it's stunning. Hey, there's a giraffe for baby in the shower. Giraffe. Looks nice.
Just upgrade it, like, you know, like mod. Mod.
Simple.
And you got a table at least. You never had a small table to eat. The king had to sit by the bed and eat.
Oh, yo. Aya's birthday supper. So funny. Diren, Tata, me, my auntie, my mother, and Aya. My granny will literally recruit grandchildren from all over the world. It wasn't even him, it was his brother, his twin. Okay guys, quick, on our way home. And Diren said the light is distracting, so I have to put the light off now. But yeah, thank you for watching this vlog. Day 4. I'm gonna edit now and post soon. Thank you, good night, bye. I'm so full.